Welcome back. We are closing in on the 4th of July weekend, of course, and it's a chance to celebrate independence as well as some good deals out there. Consumer reporter John Matarese is on your side so you don't waste your money.
We're coming up on the biggest holiday weekend of the summer, 4th of July, and that means big sales at Tri-State stores. But there are some things you should hold off buying no matter how great those deals appear to be right now. You might be thinking about fireworks in the pool, but DealNews.com says you should also think about grabbing some great sales taking place this weekend. Stores are marking down summer items, and the best news is that whatever you buy, you can still enjoy for 2 more months. Now, great 4th of July deals include summer clothing, swimsuits, patio furniture, grills, and window air conditioners. Some of the biggest sales on outdoor items, in fact, will be at Sears, Home Depot, and Pottery Barn, according to Deal News. School sales start in another week. You'll find some of the best prices of the year. Laptop sales typically start the week after the 4th of July and last through August, and that way you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, 9 on your side.